What if you could create books that talk and grab attention in any topic in just minutes? No writing, no design skills, no hiring anyone. Just type keyword and watch it turn into beautiful book with voice, video, picture, links, and more. From storybooks to business guides, it's the easiest way to start earn passive income online.
Magic Book AI. This is your main dashboard, your creative hub. At the top, quick links like Let's Create, Manage Teams, DFY Setup, White Label, Bonuses, Tutorials, and Settings. Keep everything simple and stress-free. In the center, you'll see clean graphs showing book views and leads. On the right, totals for AI books, flip books, photo books, and feedback. Below that, your favorite and recent books are always easy to access. Everything here is designed to be smooth, simple, and beginner-friendly. Now, let's create your first book. Click on Let's Create New Book. You'll see 4 options pop up: AI book, create from scratch, flip book, and photo book. Your book starts here in just one click. Let's pick AI book. You'll see 20 plus AI book categories like novels, magazines, business, comics, catalogs, kids books, and more. Just choose any category which you like. Next, enter your book details, select a source, description, PDF, or URL. Let's move ahead with the description. Next, add subcategory, writing style, tone, AI model, and language. Set chapters and words per chapter. Then click Generate. In just seconds, Magic Book AI will create your book chapter by chapter. Not happy with something? You can tweak it instantly. Use the Magic Wand tool to rewrite or enhance any part with a single click. Once ready, hit Save and Next. In the content editor, you'll see your book title, chapters listed, and your editor on the right. This is where the magic happens. You can add text style, AI text generator, change backgrounds, add images, links, and even videos. Also, you can change text fonts, sizes, and colors to make your book engaging. It's just like a smart word editor, but powered by AI. Now let's make a book. All your chapters are complete. Now, simply click on Save and Next at the top right corner to move forward. Next, design your book cover. Choose from 3 easy options: Create with AI, just describe it, and AI designs instantly. Upload your own. Already have a custom cover? Great. Just upload it here. Use ready-made covers. Pick from 200 plus cover collection of pre-designed templates. Apply with a single click. Once you're happy with the cover, click Save and Next to move on. Finally, the settings step. Add the finishing touches, meta banner, small image for sharing on social media. Subtitle, a supporting line for your title. Short description, quick summary of your book. Reading mode options, flip mode, realistic book feel on laptops, tablet mode, Kindle style for mobiles, tablets, reader background, solid color, gradient, or custom image with live preview. Talking section narration, choose from 1,500 plus AI voices in multiple languages, or clone your own voice for a personal touch. Now you can add a feedback form. Simply select your autoresponder, choose the list, and set the page number where the form will appear. Once everything is done, just click on Publish Book, and your book goes live. Share your unique book link instantly. Get embed code for your website blog. Control visibility, public, private, or password protected. Track with publish date and updates. Share offline with an instant QR code. Congratulations, your book is ready. With Magic Book AI, creating, designing, and publishing books has never been this easy. Whether it's for stories, education, business, or branding, your next bestseller is just a few clicks away.
That's when Bree, a curious 8-year-old with wild curls and big glasses, stepped forward.
Just now, you saw how we created a kid's book. With Magic Book AI, You can create so much more like novels, magazines, business books, brochures, brand books, company profiles, PR books, catalogs, storybooks, workbooks, planners, journals, guides, ebooks, comic books, cover photo books, cookbooks, training manuals, and anything else you can imagine. That's the real magic of Magic Book AI. Next is Book Library. Manage everything in one place. Go to your book library to take control. From the list view, you can download, share, duplicate, move to another workspace, delete if no longer needed, all with just a few clicks. Let's create a flipbook, a fun animated version that flips pages just like a real book. Enter the name of the book and upload the PDF of your book. After that, click on Save and Next. Cover page, same as AI book. Choose from options to set your cover. When you're ready, click Save and Next. Final settings. Just like your AI book, fill in the meta details to make your flipbook look polished and professional. Once you're done, click Publish Book. Now your flipbook is ready to flip through. Next, let's create a photo book, perfect for memories, moments, or visual storytelling. Enter your book name. Upload photos. Upload multiple images from your PC or just drag and drop. Each image becomes a page of your photo book. Save and Next. Cover page. Choose your cover the same way. Click Save and Next. Final settings. Fill in meta details just like before. Click Publish Book. Ready to preview? Now that you've fully explored the AI book section, you know how to create, manage, and organize your books with ease. But Magic Books AI doesn't stop there. On the left panel, you'll also find options like Graphic Editor, Feedback, DFY Book. Get instant access to 50+ done-for-you books across every category, ready to use and customize. Next, Sell Book and Agency Product. You'll get to see all of these in detail inside the training. And that's it. You've just completed the full Magic Books AI demo. Now it's your turn. Bring your creativity to life and share your books with the world.